After the card itself is constructed, the Mac Mini will be placed into the provided mount on the back of the rack. The camera will be secured to the top of the mount with the provided bolt and nut, or alternatively it can be secured using a zip tie. Depending on the type and size of the power strip, it will also be secured between the mount brackets as shown or below the Mac Mini with zip ties or an adhesive strip. Start by making sure the power supplies for the iPad, Mac, and monitor are inserted into the power strip. Run the cables for peripherals into the back of the Mac Mini to their respective ports. The peripherals include the Jabra microphone speaker which will go into the USB-A port, the Jabra Pana cast camera which will also go into a USB-A slot, and the keyboard and mouse that will go into USB-C slots with the help of USB-A to USB-C adapters. Run the length of cable from the back of the Mac Mini to the back of the Jabra Pana cast to complete the connection. Also run a single HDMI from the back of the Mac Mini to HDMI input number 1 on the attached monitor. Once all input outputs and peripherals are connected, take the wires and bundle them together. Use the mount and card itself to run the wires down the main supports while giving them enough slack to move components around on the table as needed. Run the power and Ethernet cables down to the ground on one of the legs of the main card supports. Once everything is tied down, make sure to affix the iPad with the provided combination lock.